So you can just throw it on and go, or you can build it up to get a little glam. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back. So I am so excited for this video today because I really think that I find my everyday foundation. We are looking for everyday foundation. I think it is here, and it's none other than Makeup by Mario. This is what the packaging look like. Really sleek and nice, nothing extra to it. This is the bottle, and what I love about it, it comes with a pump. Who doesn't love a pump? Love this. It comes in 30 shades and it retails for $42. I have the 24N here today. I did try the 26N, and that's really dark for my skin. I already primed my skin, so I'm going to go right into it. I'm going to use one pump, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. All right, well, that was two pumps, right? That was two pumps and not one. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on the skin, and I'm not gonna do any underpainting because I really want to see what this foundation do. You can see it's not watery, so it's really thick. So you could wear it also as a CC cream if you want to, but that's what it looks like on my skin. Really good match, and that one pump just lost. So I know I'm gonna have to go in with more than one pump because of my acne issue. I love the coverage. Really good everyday foundation. Look at that. Now it's a luminous foundation, so it's going to give you the same finish as the NARS light reflecting foundation does. Now we're going to do a wear test throughout the day, and I will definitely check back. You guys already know how I do. I'm going to check back right around 6 hours and let you guys see what the foundation, how it's holding up, where are the oil popping through. And I don't just have oil around my T-zone, but I have oil everywhere. So we'll really get to put this foundation to the test. Now it's a rainy day, so we're not going to get to see how it plays out in the sun, or, you know, a little more heat or whatever. But that's what it looks like. I am going to finish up my face, and I'm not going to do anything extra to alternate performance of the foundation. But I really love it. If you could see, it's completely blending with the neck area. And I like to just go right under the jaw because I don't want to see any demarcation there. But look at that. Look at that. Where did you see, I did not put any foundation right here, right? But do y'all see that? Let me come a little closer. Yeah. And it says it also works well with other products. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer.
I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in.
Yeah. This foundation, so you can just throw it on and go, or you can build it up to get a little glam. Yeah, I really love it. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I'm not going to put on a setting spray on it. And let's see throughout the day what the oiliness is looking like. Hopefully everything stay at bay. But if not, I'll let you guys know. So keep watching, guys. Let's go. All right, so this is what my face is looking like 6 hours after I've done it. Let's get close. Still looking matte. And this is the Makeup by Mario, the Surreal foundation. Still looking matte and gorgeous. So I'll check back in within 2 hours and we'll see what it looked like, if there's any grease coming through or any oil. But the makeup is still intact. Again, it's a rainy day, so the makeup is going to play differently than it would on a sunny day. But it is still in place. I'm loving this foundation. I definitely always gonna have this in my arsenal. It is one of the best everyday foundation. All right, guys, let's keep going. All right, so now it's 2:45, so it's around close to 7 hours, but it's not fully 8 hours. And this is what the makeup is looking like. So I'll get a little closer. You guys can see right around this area has a little breaking up of the foundation. And that could be because I did not really set it. But again, every foundation I've ever worn always break right around here after around 5 hours or so. But that's what it looks like. Still flawless. No oil has peeped through. So this Surreal foundation from Makeup by Mario is a game changer. Yeah, I have said it. And the biggest thing that I love about this is that I do not feel like I have on makeup. I don't feel this cakiness. I don't feel heaviness. And to think about how many powder that I have put on top of it, and I still do not feel that cakiness. So I love it for that reason. So if you guys are in the market and looking for everyday foundation, I know there's so many foundation video that has been coming out, girl, but listen, if you are looking for one for every day, this is it. Yeah, $42, this is it. I really love it. So leave your comments below. Let me know if you guys have any questions. There are a lot of videos here already on YouTube about this foundation. Thank you for watching mine. Let me get a closer look. And I'll leave a picture up when I did my makeup at 7 o'clock this morning, the difference between then and now. So you guys could really see that it wasn't a big change, like it didn't shift at all. And I have super oily skin. I'm wearing the 24N. So if you are the same shade as I am, 24N is what I'm wearing, which is the N is for the neutral. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye guys.